Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine Cohen's G using Microsoft Excel. Cohen's G is an effect size measure that can be used for a one sample binomial test, provided that you assume that the proportions are 50-50 in the population. To do this, I'll be using a small example where you can see about gender 1 and 2, and there was also a missing value, so we're going to be excluding those. The first thing we need is to actually count how many we have. So I'm going to be counting if, count if, and then column A, and the criteria is going to be this one up here. Now, actually, I only need one of them, but just for completion's sake, copy paste it down to also get the second category, and let's put in the sum here. Alt equals is actually a shortcut for that, and that gives us a good impression of the data. Then we also need the proportions. Again, we actually only need one, but just for completion's sake, I'll be using 2. So that's going to be the 12 divided by this 46. And then I need to block that 46. With blocking, I mean I put dollar signs around it, and you can press F4 to actually do that. Then enter or control enter, and then simply copy, control C, and then control V. Again here, alt equal to get the sum, and that should equal 1. Cohen's G is now pretty straightforward. As you can see, the formula is nothing else than the sample proportion minus 0.5. So that's going to be this one minus 0.5, and then copy paste this down, and I have my two Cohen's G's. As you can see, the only difference between these two is actually the minus in front of it here, and so this actually means that about 24% is each, so each category was either 24% above or below the expected 0.5. And that's it. That's Cohen's G. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to find out more about Cohen's G or other things that have to do with statistics, please check out my website. It's also mentioned in the description below. Thank you for watching.